All right, market's about to open. Let's get started. Come over to our Discord channel. I've made I made a new channel where me and my friend Gregster are just kicking it here at the open. So come join us. It's only a few people. Um, Here we talk about movers, we talk about our trading while the market is open, right? So me and him are chatting it up. So we have CETX. We like CETX at the open. It's been pretty strong pre-market. That's 170. It's up 100% already. So we shall see. We got HCAI. We got a few things moving. Looks like HCAI could be a good one. 44. Okay, 50. Can get a nice trade here. Take advantage of this open. Oh, CETX back up. I think we gotta let shake things out a little bit. CETX, no trades yet. Let me take my first test trade here. Get this out of the way. Okay, good. Good. The open is doing well. Oh my gosh, CETX. Oh my, HCAI. Whoa. Okay. A lot of volatility, then we got to be careful. So 74. Target right here is 95 and maybe $2. AI. Let's see, LNAI up only 80%. I haven't really looked at this, but we'll give it a try. Somebody called out. All right, so it feels like I need to trade something, but I don't want to rush into a trade. Look, LNAI back down. So I don't want to rush into a trade here. Just eat a loss. All right, I gotta pause it and regroup. All right, I think we're gonna get a red to green on this. I believe we are. We just touched this 5-minute gap. See if we can get out of VWAP. I had this is 64. A lot of stuff moving. What's the volume? See if we can get a dip here. 5-minute gap. There's a red 5-minute gap also right here. Okay, LNAI back up. We got SKYQ, KPRX, potentially KPRX. All right, so we'll see. Okay, I want to grab as soon as this thing starts to turn around. I want to grab this, and it might give a strong breakthrough VWAP here. So no trades yet. No trades for me yet. Okay, here we go. Needs to hold over 60. Need to hold over 60 here. Let's do it. So 1K here, need to hold over 60. Nice, looking to add. No, out. Ooh. Held 60. Yes, too choppy. Nope, no, sir. No, sir. It looked like it was going to break VWAP. It might go a little lower. It's okay, 59. 60 is right there. That's a 10-cent level. And I need algos to kick it in right there. It didn't happen. Right, SKYQ. Sky, maybe. SKYQ, maybe. SKYQ, possible. Possible move. All right, we can see this thing lower, maybe lower than 53. We'll take a 1K under 50. Maybe we'll take a 1K under 50 to stop on this 37. It's a big way down. Maybe we can take something under 50. That'll give a good move, I think. This one, volume on this is still strong. Another AI. This is a 5-minute. All right, I'll pause it. All right, see if we can get a dip under 50. To a small size, see what we get. Maybe we get a good bounce. Buying into weakness. We have a setup here, 37 to 57. Maybe the algos are holding it right above 50. So that's a good sign. That's a good sign for a red to green. That's a good sign for a red to green. Okay, looks like 51. 60 now. Here we go. We'll see how. You see how it keeps hitting 60? Holding 60 here, breaking, tapping 60 here. And there you go. That's 61. So we got to hold above 60, 61. No, not yet. KPRX. Are we getting volume here now? Are we getting volume? Not much. Okay, here we go. 61. People up to 64. I think we can do it. It's up 100%. Maybe just to move to the highs, 95. I think it has decent news. Okay, here we go. I'll take this 43. See how well you want to. 43 is holding. Nice. Good. 44. I'm in 44 and a half. Not bad. Hopefully when we get a nice reclaim of 50. No, out. Okay. No, didn't work. Didn't work. Sadly, it's not. Too much weakness. Here, what do we got here? Might be lower. 37. See if it can hold 37. Oh, that's 40. Okay, 40 was better. Seems like it was better. SKYQ. 2 trades so far. Nothing, nothing, nothing. SKYQ possibly a push. No. Yes. Look at this. It's choppy, you know. I can't expect a push here. Look at this. This one also coming down. Coming down further again. 40. Below that was 40, right? So maybe break of 40. Is gonna hold. 39. Is 40 gonna hold? Is 40 going to hold? It looks like it wants to hold 40. I'll give it a try at 40 one more time. We're waiting for the volume to pick up. No. For the green volume to enter the green on the tape. No. 37, 36. Yeah, no. No, no, no. All right, HCAI is the one, it seems like. Where do we get a trade on this? Dip to 40. Any dip here? Any dip? Any dip? Any dip would be appreciated. 47. Any further than that? Nah. 47, 48. Oh, it's a little too high. Dip under 47 to 44. I'll take that. I'll take that with some size, I think. I think we can get a nice reclaim. Don't go yet, don't go. Let me get a dip. Let me get a dip on this next candle. Might not see it. We'll see. Here we go. 44 is that low. Come on. Nice. 44 is that low. I'm okay with the risk. Maybe $100 risk here. We'll see. 48. 30 seconds. Holding the top of that gap. 47, 67, 68. Looking for a nice dip. Come on. Looking for a nice dip here. It's at 48, 46 or 45. I would love that. 47. Come on, come on. There's a seller there, 49. It's getting bought up. Yep. Okay. I'll be patient here. If it decides to go, it'll be right over 50. It'll be right over 50 if it decides to go. It's really strong. Otherwise, I'm looking for a dip and another move higher. Big buyer, 49. Stepped out of the way. Okay, here we go, coming down again. Hmm, 48. It's holding. I don't want it to. It's holding very strong, so I don't want, if it breaks, and I'm looking for a dip, I don't want this thing to flush back down to even lower. Here we go, 46. Yeah, I'll take this. No. Yeah, 45. Nice. Come on. I mean, at 45.7. Pull up, brother. Nope. No, not a chance. 44, maybe. Ah. Whatever. 44. I'll size down 44. Maybe 44 one more time. Let's see. I'll try it one more time because it looks great. Dang it. I think I just had to hold that second trade. I just had to hold that second trade. The second trade was at 45.70. I had to hold that second trade. Okay. Darn it. Yeah, that was better. Choppy on the way down. It chopped me out. I'm in here 46 on the first one. Out. And then try it again 57. Maybe I tried it too quickly. Yeesh. Okay. Whatever. Gonna have to look for another trade now. Ah, that's a beautiful trade. Hmm. SKYQ. All right, here we go. Can we get a squeeze here? 52. Needs to hold 51. Dip a little bit. Let's try it with a nice squeeze here. If you can hold 51. Yep. Tight. No. Nope. Oh, I just don't seem to figure this one out. Okay. I think this one requires longer holds, even though it's giving me the look that it's going to fail. It might require longer holds. Okay, I'm gonna look for a dip now. Yeah, so annoying I missed this dip here. Such a great dip. Such a good dip. KYQ could be here a good dip. If you hold 8, keep it tight. Okay, here we go. Hold 8. In at 11. Looking for a squeeze here. Nice. Nice. Push, 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 push. Push. No. Nope. Out. Didn't quite get the push I wanted to see. Hit 20. Eh. Looking for a squeeze. I mean, I might be pushing it a little too much. Looking for the squeeze at 8. But if it's hot, it could do it. Good. Looked like it was going to give a squeeze. All right, gonna pause it here, see what else we can find. Oh, wow. AIXI. Would you be the one? Oh, we halting, halting up. Okay. Squeeze some shorts, huh? You can squeeze some shorts. All right. Time to get green here. It's time to get green on this. All right, well, I didn't get the trade, but I tried to get a trade here. On this push, giving it a try here, did not work. Got caught for about 2 cents on 2K. Let's see. We're gonna have to try this small size, see if we can get a nice dip and rip. Maybe this could be the one for today. All red trades. That's crazy. Nothing has worked for us today. All right, here we go. This is gonna resume flat. So hopefully we get a nice dip and rip. Hopefully get a nice dip and rip. $25, dip into teens. I'll take a dip into teens, and then we'll go from there. Dip. Looks like we may get a good dip. No. Dang, no dip, huh? No dip at all. Here we go, coming back down. Dip at 24. Below 24. Hold on, it's 105. Barely touched that. I'm thinking it's gonna come lower. Right on the dip right on the 24, and I honestly thought it was gonna come lower. Wow. That's amazing. Didn't get my dip on that. $37. No, I have no business up here. No business here. It's actually holding. It's actually holding. Like a dip down here. like a dip down here. It's gonna hold 50s. Dang. Nice dip here, right? Good dip. Algo's holding it up here. Could this thing keep going? That would be interesting. I don't have a trade though. I don't have a trade on these. SKYQ over 75. I don't know. I think the dip was here. The better dip was here. Oh, yeah, I got no business here. This is too high. No business there. All right, I need to be patient. Look for a better entry. Okay, now this should have failed right here. Now it should have failed right here on this next candle, but it is working. So are we going to see something here? Are we going to see 39, 40 up to a fold up? Oh, here we go. Dip right under 50. How much does it want to dip? I'll give this another try. Not sure. You Lord. Hmm. It's a big 5-minute gap. We have 4 red 5-minute candles. Um, yeah, nothing good for me. Nothing good for me. Can we get a good trade here? Might get a good trade here. The low that is, can it hold 30? This thing needs to hold 30. Maybe get a dip here. I'm gonna try it one more time. 35 is holding. Small size. Trying to get our first win for today. See if we can grab a good win. Small size, small size. Nope. Back to 35. 35 for a lot of buyers at 35. Let's do it. Buyers at 35. 36, 37. Come on, come on. I'm staying patient here. Only 1K, 38. It could start to fail here. If we don't get the volume at 38 to keep going. 38. What's it going to be? 39. Nice. We're getting some volume here. I'll take it off here. So 30 cents, 30 cents, I mean, 3 cents on that move. Did not get the best entry maybe on this dip. But it is sort of working. We got our first winner. Here we got a nice little dip potentially on this 1 minute gap. Right there, 29 to 33. SKYQ. How do we trade SKYQ? This looks like it could give a really strong move sometime later. This one giving a dip right there to 33. Giving a dip to 32, right? The low that's 32. Yeah. Is this going to be worth the dip? Stop on that is 39. Formula red gap. Not nice. Not nice. All right, we got our first winner. Got our first winner. Now what? Dip. Dip 29. $30. It's hard to say. $31. We might get another move to 57, but I mean, the thing about it is this thing has been strong since yesterday, like power hour. I mean, since yesterday noon, like 24 hours ago. And I'm thinking, is this actually going to be strong enough to keep going? Right, SkyQ, I will buy this right at the low. That was 21. Yep, I will buy this. Let me try this back down here again. The low, what's this low? I mean, VWAP is 15. Maybe this one tries to attempt a little lower. I will take it. Watching this. Just 200 shares. That was good. That was good. Maybe that was good at 30s. 20 it gave me 29. Yeah, that was good. I think that was good. SSR too. Yep, that was good. Totally missed that. Jeez. Missed SKYQ. That was good. Okay, let's see if we can grab a nice little bounce here. Watching, 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 watching. Give a nice little bounce. I'll buy it here. 42. Okay, sure. Sure, we're in this gap. I missed this entry here, but I think this is a good dip. And now we may get a nice bounce back up. We'll see. Not risking much. The low that candle was 34. Maybe risking about $20. $20. $20. Here we go. You gotta go now. You need to go now. There you go. You gotta go now. Yeah, out. The ask went below 40, so I took it out. Yeah, whatever. It's not working. All right. What do we got here? All right, looks like it is confirmed. This is looking better. You can't. Let's see what it wants to do here. Let's see what it wants to do. This might be the spot. Yeah, that was a spot. That was a good spot. That was a good spot for AC dip. Ah, come on, give me a dip, bro. Give me a dip. Give me a dip. 42. No dip. Let's do it. No dip. Minute 44. Stop is tight. 47. 48. Nothing. Okay, so let's wait for a dip. Hello, that is 42. See if we can get a dip. I tried it there on the gap and go. It's a risky one. It's not the high, so I got to keep it tight. So let's see. Now looking for a dip. 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 Bro, give a dip, man. Ah, son of a gun, bro. Missed that. Totally choppy. Dang it, bro. Okay, 47, 51, 51, 51, 51, 51, 51. Possible stop at 50. $51. Fine, try at 51. It's holding 51 for the third time. We need this push now. Whatever, bro. I think I just need to grab whatever I can get today. I'll size up and grab whatever I can get. I'm trying to look for a bigger move, and I'm not getting it. All right, well, try to look for a nice dip here. Didn't get it. 54 there. Okay, seem to be holding 51. Dip 51 to 47. I would take a nice little dip here. Dip right under 50. Come on, give a nice dip and a nice reclaim. Come on, brother. Ay, 46. Yeah, I got cooked there. Dang it. I got cooked on that dip. Ah, no. Come on, sized up on that dip, looking for that nice move. For a nice reclaim. Okay, here we go. Dip here. 37. I can take it 38. Nice, 38 and a half. Let me get some of this back at least. Come on. 242. 242, only 1K. No, 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 brother. Come on. Okay. Ah, what a day, bro. Oh, that sucks today. Hmm, dang it. Missed this up here looking for the break. All right, that sucks. Down 250. Hmm, could give an interesting 33 is that low. There's volatility here, so I'm looking for, yeah. I was looking for it to see if it could hold. That sucks today. No. Sized up on that. It was a good one though. It was a good one. It's a good dip. Right at the highs. I've done it before. Get a nice dip. Could reclaim back over 50, but it how much did I get hit? I got yikes, 46 to 42. So it's pretty fast when it came down. So knowing this thing, we might get a nice reclaim here. So it's not over yet. I think it's not over. This thing could actually give another move. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. All right, what are we gonna do here? This thing is just so manipulated, man. Somebody bought it right here. Somebody accumulated a lot of shares here. Let's see if I can I can ride this a little higher. Mm, it's hard to say. It's hard to say. Maybe a dip could have worked nicely. 648 dip. Tight stop. Brother. Tight stop, but it's not, it's kind of moves in a weird way. All right, I gotta be patient. Look for a good entry. Don't want to make this a worse day. Okay, now we gotta move to 60. 60 here. Highlights 53. Let's see, what do we get? 55. 55. 55. 55. Dude, this little hesitation there. 55 looks like it's coming down. Looks like it's gonna hold. Dang, 56. Don't like 56. Out 57. Gonna try one more time. 53. Yeah. Don't like 56.5. Too high for me. Out. Not even worth holding it. 53 is here. Crazy move. All right, we'll wait. I'll wait. Yeah. Looking for a dip. I didn't get it. Looks like we're gonna keep pushing here. 57. Dang, this was a choppy one, huh? Choppy one here. Did not think we would do it here. It's so stacked. What's the float? Don't say. What is that shit floats? Oh, I don't know. 72. Looks like it holds. It doesn't dip. It really doesn't dip. When it dips, it flushes. So I'm looking for a flush at 60, see if we can get one there. It hasn't dipped after this hold up. Doesn't dip much here. Doesn't dip much here or here. Didn't dip here. Dang. Missing all of this, bro. It's just gonna be one of those days, huh? It's gonna be one of those days. One of those days. Oh, look at that dip. 59. That's crazy. That's what I was looking for, and I missed it. It came so fast. I was looking elsewhere. I was looking elsewhere. Shoot. Dang it. Did not even. I happened so fast. That was a beautiful entry. Uh, okay. Time to lock in. Mm, all right. I'm gonna take this to $2 right here. This is gonna be a $2 break here. Going for it. And at 75. 73 is my stop. 1,000 shares. Can't hurt me. All I can lose is money here, so 75 is holding. 74. Small size, 76. There you go. Pushing, pushing, pushing. 76. 74 again. I don't break 73. Yeah, it's gonna break. Dang it. Okay. We tried it. We tried that push. $2 there. 75 looked very good. Out 72. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We are going to do it. It wants $2. It clearly wants $2. Or we're gonna have to take a dip somewhere in here. But we're gonna get green on this guy. We are going to get green on this guy. There's a dip there. Man, brother, every dip happens so freaking fast, man. Wow. Unable to catch it, bro. Unable to catch these dips. They happen so fast. Jeez. That's insane. Hmm. That is great. Great entry. Great dip. 71. Hmm. I think we're gonna get $2 here. I think we might get $2. I'm watching. I'm watching. That dip got bought up very fast. I want to grab that strong move. Okay. 72. What's it gonna be here? Rejection? Or are we gonna do it? Rejection, or are we gonna do it? Rejecting? Gotta stay patient. Stay patient. Don't just jump in. Okay. These moves come, this move might come in a strange manner. Not off a dip, but off support here right above 70. Rejection. Okay, choppy. Dang. All right. We're gonna have to see what is it that we could get here. Ooh, nice off the lows. 7. Nice. Nice dip there. Anything else? Let's see. Doing well. No, I wish CETX worked. That was such a good play. All right, gonna be waiting in Seeing what move we can get in the next 15 minutes. Oh, I'll buy this dip. I'll buy this dip anywhere here. I feel like it's going to give a nice bounce. 45. Hold down is 33. I'll give it a try here. 47, 46, 45. I'll try 46. Dang. Yeah, out. Ay, 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 ay. Dang. Just a little lower, getting filled 47. Oh, that's crazy, bro. Losing, look, getting filled 47 out 46. The dip was a little lower, 45. And I'm just not connecting on anything today, bro. This thing really got me. Got me bad. It's not even that bad. I'm down 142, but down 295 on the day. That's coming from CETX, HCAI, SKYQ. I mean, it's coming from a few different places. And yeah, just missing these dips, bro. Like, come on. I know my stop is 45, so I gotta let the break of 45. Did it even break 45 on me? Went to 44, but I don't know if it actually. Dang it, missing out on like 5 cents there. Yeah. What a shame. See if we can get a good trade here. 46, 41 is this low? How far can you dip? Otherwise, I'm looking like a $30 loss. $30 to make 90. Big sellers at 48, 46. Hmm. Nice. Maybe another dip. Maybe another dip. Not being patient here. Looking for my dip. Looking for my dip. All right. Looks like that was good. That was good. Hmm. Just 57 there is resistance. Maybe a little lower. Mm, good dip. Good dip. Solid dip. All right. Solid dip. Did not trust it. Yeah, when I'm red, it's like hard for me to trust things. Hard for me to give it a trust. All right, what do we see here? Are we going to get a nice dip? A little lower, and then finally get that squeeze. We're wedging here. Last shot, redemption. Do want to see it here, 42, 41. Even if it stays here, it could still be good. Below that is 46. So it's a wedge, nice little wedge. What's it gonna be? Up or down? At least to 63 is where I want to take it. So we get to see it. I would love to see a dip and then a reclaim. Or it could do a false breakout and then come down. Here we go. 50. 50. All right, so what do we got? Looks like it's chopping around. I want to get one of these squeezes, man. So let's analyze this. So we got a dip into a squeeze, flush, dip into a squeeze. Not much of a dip after the hold. Dip here, nice long flush, extended flush here to 44, nice bounce. One dip, nice, another dip, it reclaimed here, good. So now we're gonna look for a dip, hopefully at 42, 41. That's where we can get something. Take things out a little bit. Target 57. Or target here in this 5-minute red gap, 63, 68. It's been holding here above 46. Trying to get my last trade, see what we can do. Honestly, also might call it here. It's really not that great. Here we go. Volume 51 is the high of this. All right, we're gonna give this gap and go a try then. Here we go. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? 54. It's just 15 minutes, 15 seconds after this. Candle's gonna close. See what that's gonna do. Maybe we get a nice dip. Staying patient. 52. Mm, no, no, 52. Could take it 52. Don't know. Break of 51. So risking like 20 bucks there. Nice. Okay, buyers came in at 52. That's good to see. Nice. 57. 58. Now it's a little higher. I don't know. This might not hold 50. What is it? 56. So linger around the gap for a while. I was looking for maybe a little lower into a nice push, as we've seen a lot of dips. Um, this could be one that maybe makes a move to $2. It'll be interesting to see the next 10, 20 minutes what it wants to do. How did this even happen? That's crazy. How is that even possible? All right, we're about to get green on this now then. We're about to get green on this under resumption. Let's do this. So shorts got squeezed here. So now watching for a dip. 98, almost close to $2. I think we're gonna get the break of 2, but I do want to get a nice dip. Dip, maybe. Nice dip. Let's see where the dip is going to be. Ideally under 90. We'll see. This is BS, bro. No dip. Ah, bro, what the heck, man? This is like the best thing ever and unable. What a fumble on this one, bro. Hmm. I want to see a massive dip. The previous candle went up like 30 cents. Got nothing on it, bro. Got nothing on it. 15 seems to be holding, now 25. What? That's crazy. Now we're opening up here a lot. Opening up a lot here. Do we get one more squeeze? To another hold here, 32. It's coming down. 32. It went all the way up to 58, came back down. 32 seems to be holding. Oh my brother. What in the world, man? This thing is crazy. Okay, you're gonna be crazy. No, I don't have a setup. I could trade. Man, if I was hyperscalping, I would be hitting this so many times. What a crazy stock. No gaps. It's just straight up chop, up and down, up and down. Um, looking for a dump. Looking for this thing to dump, but I don't know if it's actually gonna dump. Looking for a gap, no gaps, got nothing. Hmm. 42, just straight up algos. Somebody's hitting this. A lot of big stack at 42. I'm looking for a massive dip to $2. I'll take that. 100% take that. Massive drop to $2. 250. Hmm. 40s just keeps holding this area. 32 held last time. My breakthrough 32. Looking for a massive dip. Massive dip. Nah, we're squeeze here on this next 5 minute. Can we do it? Can we do it? One more squeeze? What's it gonna be? Needs to hold 38, 39. We're risking about 20 bucks. Maybe we'll get a squeeze. Nope. 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 Nothing. Dip down there's 29, 26. Looking for a massive dip down to $2. Maybe we'll get that. All right, what do we got? Are we actually gonna do it? 41. Is this gonna do it? 44, 43, 43, 42. Yeah, let's do it. Let's freaking do it. Nah, down. Just a little nervous there. Didn't want to take it all the way. Just a little nervous there. Looking for faster resolution. All right, one more time. Nope. We're at the highs. We're pushing it, but it's a stock worth pushing because it's doesn't want to dip. If anything, I'm looking for a massive dip down here to $2. 40 seems to be holding strong. I wonder what it wants to do. Flush, flush. Looks like it's gonna flush. So if you're gonna flush, and I want to see this thing flush, give two big ones here. One and then two might get it at 99. Waiting for this flush. I mean, realistically, this was good here, right? It came down again, it held, and it did it. So this was maybe a good play overall, right? Looking for it. I was looking for a dip lower, but it held this gap. Yeah, I mean, the potential in this is crazy. Well, how could you even know, you know? That this could be the spot. I mean, I accumulated a lot of orders here. Dang. All right, let's see if this BS wants to do anything more here. They're gonna get exit liquidity here, massive exit liquidity, and I'm gonna be eating a big loss or what? Or shorts are gonna be, or shorts are gonna get destroyed. Which one is it? Which one is it? Which one is it? Dip. That was a nice dip to 56. It's trading a little different now that it's at $2. Hmm. Nice. Wow. Okay. This thing is nuts. Okay, let's get a dip here. Let's get a dip. Please let me get a dip. 56 to 44. Please let me get a dip. Let's get a nice dip. Come on. Come on. Come on. Give a nice pattern, brother. Please give a nice pattern. Give a nice pattern. Give a nice pattern. Nope. Here we go. 56 to 44. Oh my goodness. Oh my lord. Almost took that. Almost took that 19. I was about to get destroyed. We almost took that. Jeez. Can we get a dip down there? A little lower. Looking just for a dip. If it doesn't dip, I'm not taking it. I'm looking for a dip. 68 all the way down there. Needs to dip, needs to dip, needs to dip. Dip, bro. Not freaking dip. What in the world, man? This is going back to 50s. Oh my gosh. If you go back to the highs, that is crazy. I might buy this next candle here. 7 seconds. 33 is that low. Yep. OE, a minute 47. I didn't like that too much. Went a little lower. I got nervous there. Playing with fire here. Back to 51. Ah, that actually was good. That actually was good. Whew. Need to calm down. Need to calm down. 15 seconds. Might get a nice little dip here. Might squeeze these shorts here. Next little dip, 45 to 33. I like this. Is it actually going to give a dip? Yep, nice dip. 43. I don't even know if I want to trade. What? It's like 'Alright, is he gonna give a dip here? 40. Or are we gonna drop? Nice pop there from 40 on that gap. I don't know if I can trust any of these gaps. Mm. 50. Bro, it would be nuts if we keep going here. Would be absolutely nuts. Such a China scam. So this stock, it's a Chinese stock, and it's got very interesting news, right? And it's the one today that people are going to do crazy things. Like, look at this. Like, hold down, no sell off, like no dip, you know, straight up back to the highs, 70. Want to take a dip here? Almost took a dip there, 37. I should have taken a dip there, 37, honestly. Just like nervous about this thing. No, I'm kind of nervous about this thing. Yeah, but I can't be. I can't be. I think it's still bullish. I think it could still do some more damage here to these shorts. See if we can squeeze them. It's holding 40s. Low of the previous was 35. Let's see how well this one is gonna hold here. Keep it tight. Who risked 30 bucks? Big seller at 40. Okay, no, staying away, staying away. There's a big seller right at 40. 30,000, 300,000 shares at 40. Massive seller there at 40. If this guy gets, he's there. He's there. He's getting bought up. Oh my gosh, he's getting bought up. No way he's gonna get bought up. 200,000. 200,000 shares. Somebody decided that would be the spot they're gonna sell. All right, here we go. Down 280. So unable to connect at all today. No connection whatsoever. Took a massive L on this one, and I was unable to trust it. And since this put me really red, I was kind of timid when I trade and not wanting to make it any worse. So unable to make a recovery. But let's see. We took this trade. You know what? This is the one that really annoyed me here because I should have this should have been a winner, a clear winner to me, and this set me off to having a bad day. Fine, I get this one bad, 46 out 45, in again right here, 45, and I need to hold two here, 44. I have to hold. This is the bottom of the gap. I need to hold for my setup. Anyway, this gives up an amazing bounce all the way up to 53. So here I'm risking like what, 2 cents to make 4.50? Like, come on, man. I'm risking to make losing 2 cents to make 4 to 49. Say 49, like right here, right? Anyway, ends up going all the way up to 53. Oh, what an amazing stock, amazing trade rather, you know. Yeah, I got murdered on. I got actually didn't get murdered on this. I got killed on CETX AIXI. So let's look at that trade. So not trusting this. I got a nice winner here. Finally a good winner. 3 cents, I guess. Flat. Flat, dude. It just pops and I'm buying it at 40. I'm like, I gotta sell it flat because it needs to go there. Anyway, it comes down a little bit and keeps going. It's just a tricky spot, you know, tricky spot. Buying it right here when you've seen a lot of support. And the second I start seeing this thing give out, I'm out. And just to see it go further up. Anyway, got another 2 cents almost here. Then looking for a good dip, looking for a nice dip, beautiful gap form right here, looking for a beautiful dip in at 46, 3K size, out 42, then not hold whatsoever, immediately out. Yeah, 5-second trade. It's just like so bad. Anyway, grab another dip. I knew there's going to be a bounce here. Grab a dip 38, out 36. No. Yeah, I gotta do it again. 34, bro, the low of the gap. Remember that. Anyway, 48, 47, flat, flat. Just like BS trades, man. I need really bad trading today. In here, 47, did not hold. Loud, beautiful bounce. Just didn't trust it at all. Did not trust it at all. It's just like silly trades. Anyway, SKYQ was the other one. Let's see. Looking for this dip to hold 8. Incredible volume right here. Maybe we get a squeeze higher to 850s. Nope, we get stopped out 805. Now we get a nice little dip here. So we miss this dip. We're in a 5-minute gap. Trying this dip 41, out 37. Nope, didn't work. So 2 trades right there, down 20 bucks. Not bad. It's all right. It's all right. CETX at the open. This is the main one. I wanted it to work. CETX looking for red to green here. Gap and go. Nope, out flat. Looking for a nice bottom here for a nice reclaim. In at 44, out 41. Nope, down right there. 39 bucks on it. And HCAI, did we talk about this? Yeah, so I missed those trades and lost. I lost here. Yeah, 2K here on this push. So gap and go, looking for the push, but no, this is pushing it too much. I shouldn't have taken this. This is the trade I should have done and avoid this crap because this is the actual trade I needed. Anyway, yeah, that's kind of it for today. It's kind of like a sad day. Unable to connect. I took a massive trade on this AIXI like I showed you. This is the one I actually wanted it to connect on because this would have been awesome. In at 46, low of the gap, right? The gap high of this is 47. So in right at the lows, ascend off the low of the gap at 47. So in at 46 and a half. Boom, looking for an extra clean back over 50, like back over 50, and then I'm just taking it maybe a 52, you know. So for a beautiful, beautiful, like that would have been like 6 cent bounce. That would have been awesome. Anyway, that would have sent me off to a good start. Give this a little bit more trust on the dips. But nah, that did not happen. Anyway, a lot to review today. Not good day, not a good day. Down 280. Use small size too, so not the place where I want to size out where I felt the most confident didn't work and made a mistake here on obviously on these two again. This is like my bread and butter, bro, and I just mess it up. I don't like it. I don't like it when I mess this up. Bread and butter, boom. Okay, fail. Try it again, boom, but I gotta hold. I gotta hold because it bounces. So, all right. Anyway, so that's gonna put the red streak over. We had a nice red streak, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. Green on the seventh day. On the seventh day of April 7, red. What are you gonna do? So that ends our red green streak. So hopefully tomorrow we're able to come back a little more stronger, have a really nice day, really nice week. Looking forward to it, to capturing some big winners. Anyway, so come over to Mr. Profit, create your account. This is a trading analytics platform that I've created myself. So come select a broker, add a file, and use it for free. It's the analysis tool is 100% free, right? No sign up required. It's 100% free. Or if you want to sign up, check out our features, and we are going for $5 a month, 50 a year. So come join me in Discord, and I will see you tomorrow with more trading. Not a good day, but we'll come back. We'll come back tomorrow. Hopefully, better momentum.